what is Instagram's new feature called Close Friends? Basically, it's almost like a secret group that you can post to, and you can have certain stuff be available to only that group. And if we go to the profile page and click up here, and then click on where it says Close Friends, and I'll click over here where it says Learn How It Works. Okay, and it just breaks down what it is. So you choose who's on your list. When you add people, they will be able to see stories you share with your list. So sorry, when you add people, they will be able to see stories you share on this list, and also share with just you share with just them. Some stories aren't for everyone. Photos and videos shared to your list get a special label. Oh, and then only you can see who's on your list. So you don't have to worry about people feeling like they're not included on your closed list. All right. Anyways, that's what it is. So it's basically a secret group that you can post, select stuff to. All right. That's what it is. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below.